I know like makeup tutorials are like dead. I'm fully aware. My friends were like, oh, you have to give us a makeup lesson before we go back to college. So I just thought, why wouldn't I just make a YouTube video? We're not doing anything intricate, we're doing college girl tutorial. And I'm gonna try and make it as easy as possible, but I just wanna show you like how to do an easy eye. Like, and it's not like an eyeshadowy eye, it's like a bronzer and a little wing. But I'm gonna do the eyes first. I know that a lot of girls do their foundation because they don't, you know. I'm just putting a bit of concealer under the brow bone and then I'm just fucking it everywhere. Also, I'm really hoarse. Disclaimer. I sound so masculine. If I were a boy. So now that that's all over, we're gonna need a cream bronzer. You can skip this step, or if you want to get one, Kash Beauty. I use Shady Beach because I can use it if I'm pale or if I have tan on. But yeah, if you don't have a cream bronzer, you can skip this step. This is just to give the eyes a bit of a base. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like, just whack it all over the eye. So now I'm gonna go in with the bronzer for my lid. You can literally use any bronzer, it does not matter, whatever bronzer you have. If you have a brown eyeshadow, slay. Since it's literally one colour all over the lid, literally use your bronzer. If you hold the brush towards the end, it'll give you like a better blend apparently. But I always am here like... This doesn't have to have like a perfect shape out here, because we're going to do a little wing. Guys, the camera's after dying, but what I did was... Brown lip liner, this is Kash Beauty Rich Sienna, it's nice for the eyes and the lips. Scribbled it across the lash line. I just smudged it out. Just got a cotton pad and just swiped underneath. You can take dark brown, you can take black if you want. I'm not on that bus. This is where everything kind of comes together. I'm really paranoid that I'm not explaining this well. I hope this is not a waste of my and your time right now. So since we cleaned it up, we kind of have the shape of the liner to follow. I forgot to say. Always just keep your eye looking straight in the mirror. When I look straight ahead, that's as far as I want to bring it for my eye. I'm gonna, with whatever's left in the brush, start connecting it back to where we started off the brown. This is what we have going on now. Gonna do the other eye and come back. If you ever make a ballsy or wing, just take a lighter colour and just smudge over it. It can't really look too bad if it's all just blended and smoked in together. Like, I don't know about everyone, but I know a lot of my friends aren't arsed wearing lashes like when they go out. So I'm gonna show you a trick how to get your lashes looking as good as possible without wearing lashes. So I'm gonna start off with clear brow gel. This is the one from Benefit. Just make my lashes hold the curl. Let that dry then. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm giving them a good rallying. And girls, if you're not into wearing eyelashes, you should get this eyelash curler. It's Kevyn Aucoin. It's the best eyelash curler in the game. They're not all the same. This one is the best. So, is everyone excited to go back to college? Every time I'm like, oh, I wish I was a college girl. I just think back to the time that I visit my friends that are in college. And then I get the fear and I'm like, you're alright. Yeah, I always thought that I should have went to college, maybe until makeup on the side. I kind of knew though I wasn't going to college when I was in school, because I just hated school. I'm just not a school girl. But you best believe I was at every single open day, known to man, so I could get a few days off school. Why do these lashes look better than these lashes? What the fuck's going on there? And then he catch me and brought me back. Gent! Lerv. Never seen him again.
Dinner in 5.
What is it?
Bit of everything.
I don't really want something. I'm not hungry now.
Would you come in and have your dinner? You've nothing all day.
I know, I'm a boy, I have long lashes anyways, but if you do this trick, your lashes are going to be popping. If you do want lashes though, and you want like natural ones, Pennies and Individuals like 150 and they're fucking class. And you can just pop one either end. So they're the eyes. They're so easy but like effective. But I'm so conflicted now because everyone has different skin types. Some people want to be glowy, some people want to be matte. So I might just do the glowy now and I can do a matte skin another day. Okay, so one thing that is high-end that I would recommend everyone get if they do like a glow is Flawless Filter by Tilbury. So nice. It's nice if you don't like to wear foundation. You can put this all over. I don't wear foundation when I'm going to work. I just put this all over and then I put concealer. Just don't know what to talk about or what to say or like how to not be boring because I'm just trying to show you what to do. I am just going to go in with a bit of foundation, like fuck it, like. But I'm just over wearing a lot of foundation. See this, I feel like this is perfect. And I have a lot of redness and stuff, but by the time we have concealer and everything, this is enough. Everyone's so into their cream blush and cream bronzer now. I would recommend the Kash Beauty. They're like a reasonable price and they're really, really nice. College girls, skint AF. Literally go to the pharmacy, Pennies, Boots. Look at the lipsticks. Look for an orangey lipstick or a pink lipstick. But look for lipsticks like that. Like think of like Mam, red, kind of nanny lipsticks. And use them as a cream blush. And they'll probably be like, I don't know, €4. Or CMA loose powder. I have my bottle thrown in the bin, but it's in this. It's a really, really good powder. You get so much of it for the price. And it's like, it's not drying on the skin. It's really, really nice. I don't get the hype over the Laura Mercier. Don't get me started. You don't need it. So I only set under my eyes and out to like the corner of my eye and around the mouth. You want to kind of set around the mouth if you're going drinking and stuff. Whack on a bit of bronzer. I'm just going to put a brown pencil in my waterline, blend it out with a bit of bronzer as well. I'm just going to show you how I would do lips that will last you while you go out, that you won't have to top up. All you'd have to do is throw a gloss on. If you use a liquid lipstick to line your lips, it will not move. And it doesn't have to be this colour, it can be literally any colour you want. I just lined the lip with that liquid lipstick. I didn't put any product in the middle. So there's no product here in the middle of your lip, and it's not going to go all scaldy and crackly and rotten, and it won't feel as dry as if you had it all over your lips. And then we could just put a little gloss over it, and then all you have to bring out with you is your gloss. You don't have to go bringing shit, because you're going to lose them, girl. You're going to lose them. I'm just telling you, I know it's expensive. It's €32. I know it's not cheap. If you want your makeup to last, if you don't care, that's fine. But if you want your makeup to last on a night out, CT setting spray. I'm honestly, don't play yourself. My face is stopping now. I feel like you could wear like a cheaper foundation, cheaper everything. But if you set your face with that and at the end, it's gonna stay. So guys, that is the end of the tutorial. I hope this was useful. I hope it wasn't boring. I feel like it was boring and I'm gonna edit it to fuck, and then I'm not gonna post it for like 2 months because I'm gonna hate myself. And then I'll eventually post it and I'll be like, wow, why didn't I post that earlier? But yeah, if you liked this video, let me know. Just fucking give it a thumbs up, girl. Honestly, it's literally not that big of a deal. Or if you want me to do the matte skin tutorial, let me know as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. See ya fucking never. I'm slaying this cam right now. Okay, bye.